Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Face ID is not working on your iPad and how to fix the setting. So first step, what you have to do is you just have to go to some of the technical steps. You just have to go to settings, and from here you have to go for general, and you have to check for any kind of software updates. If any software updates are there, then you just have to go for the software update. Right, this is the first thing what you have to do. And the next one, moving on to the next one, is all about you just have to make sure that your iPad has not gone through any kind of water, or it has not been subjected to any kind of freeze, or your iPad has not fall from you to the ground, or it does not get damaged. Because sometimes if it got fall, it will be having its own issues on the Face ID, so most probably not working. So we just wanted to make you notice the two things. Make sure it is not fell from your hand, at the same time make sure it has not been undergoing any kind of water or not having any kind of these kind of issues. So moving on to next one is all about, as you can see that we are in the settings, and you just have to go to Face ID. As you can see that now you just have to go to here, and from here in the Face ID and passcode you have to go the passcode, and from here as you can see that we are having these options. Now you just have to go for reset Face ID, and most probably if you go to the reset Face ID, if you tap on that, it will be asking you to give your face insert. You just have to give it once again to make it up. So you just have to go for this, right? If it's not working in your knowledge, or if you're having any kind of trouble issues, the best solution is just go for reset Face ID. And moving on to next one is all about, you just have to come to the general once again, and from here you have to scroll down a little bit and go for reset options, and from here not about reset all settings, you just have to go for erase all content and settings. So keep in mind that when you go for this one, it will be definitely losing all your data. So it is very important to make sure yourself that you have a back, you made yourself everything on the on the iPad is being well backed up, so you'll not be losing it. So these are some of the possible workarounds which you can try out when you're having a Face ID issue on your iPad. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. And this is Shahid, officially signing off from Good Tips. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.